Hey, and welcome to day 3 of the 7-day ballet workout series. 7 days of workouts that are going to help strengthen your body while at the same time working on your posture, your lines, and your arms. So if you're ready, we're going to work on our legs and our inner thighs. Grab a mat and we'll get right into it. We're going to start off standing today, so let's do a small little warm-up. Bring yourself into a comfortable stance. Inhale, exhale, let's take a nice side body stretch. Hold for a moment. And release, and let's come to the other side. Good. And now come all the way down with your body. Make sure your feet are pointing inwards to protect your knees. Let's hold here. Just stretching out our hamstrings. Now just place one hand in the middle, and we're just going to lift our other arm up to the sky, twisting our upper body and keeping our hips nice and still. And now release and come to the other side, just twisting in the upper body. And release. And just bend your knees, slowly come up. And we're just going to come into a nice second position, opening up our feet. And we're going to take a few releve lifts. So we're just going to bring our arms into fifth, then bring them down as we lift up, and then back up. So every time we lift onto the heels, our arms go down. Every time we come down, our arms go up. Really engaging the abs here and squeezing our bum every time we lift up into the heels. And up. And up. Inhale, exhale, up. Good. And last one. And now we're just going to hold on our toes, hold it up, bring the arms up. Hold, hold, hold. Squeeze that bum. And come down. And we're going to come for some squats and up. So bringing our arms into fifth when we squat down. And inhale down, exhale as you come up. Nice strong stomach here. And we're pointing our pelvis under when we come into this plie. So we're not sticking our bum out. Shoulders are down as the arms come up, and we're opening up our chest here. And down, up, and down. Let's hold it here, and we're just going to lift one heel and then the other, and just keep switching for 10 times. So nice slow movement. Inhale at center, exhale when you lift the heel. And last one, and let's come to our left leg. Hold that heel up and just pulse it. Pulse it, pulse it for 10 times. You can bring your hands down if they're hurting, or keep them up for the extra challenge. Hold and release. Just bring yourself down into that wide-legged forward fold again. Feet are turned inwards. Nice hamstring stretch to relax. And just place one hand in the middle again, and just bring that other arm up. Nice little twist, break. And release your hand, and let's come to the other side. And release, bend your knees, and let's come back up to standing. Turn your feet out into a second position, and we're going to do that series one more time. So inhale, exhale as you lift onto your toes, your hands come down, and then your arms up into fifth. Engaging the abs as you come onto the toes, and squeezing your bum as you come onto the toes, so you get a little bum exercise here. And up, down. Good, keep going. And let's hold it. Bring your arms into fifth. Hold in this releve. And release your heels down, and we're gonna come into that nice plie. Very, very low plie. So inhale as you come down, exhale as you come up. Arms into fifth when you plie. Abs are always engaged here, and we're keeping that butt under, squeezing the bum as we come down into that plie. And down. Up and down. Good. Keep going. And now let's hold, and we're gonna lift our heels. You can bring your arms down or keep them in fifth. And lift your heel. And other side. Inhale at center, exhale as you lift the heel. Engage the abs. Your abs are nice and strong here. Last one, and let's hold on the right side and pulse. Pulse, pulse, squeeze that bum, engaging your abs, shoulders are down, opening that chest. Hold, and come up, turn your feet in, and let's just take that hamstring stretch again, coming down into our wide-legged forward fold. Just let go of your head here, just hold for a moment. And let's just bring one hand in the middle and take that nice twist again, looking up. And release your hand, and other side, look up. Good, and just release, bend your knees, and roll yourself up to standing. Beautiful, everybody. We're almost there. We're gonna work on our inner thighs now, so just come onto the mat, come onto your left hip, and we're just gonna bend our right leg behind us, stretch our left leg in front of us, and we're just gonna lift up at center, and then just bring our leg out in front a little bit more. So inhale as you bring it in front, exhale as you lift it up. Really making sure to engage those abs here and trying to stretch that knee and point the toe the entire time. Last one. And let's hold it and pulse it for 10. Pulse, pulse, keep that knee stretched, pointing the toe. And hold it. And release that leg down. Bring your right knee over and cross it over your body. Hand on your hip, and we're just gonna lift our right leg. And we're first just gonna bend it and stretch it out. Bend, stretch, and we're flexing our foot here to really feel it in our inner thigh. And stretch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Keep going. And now let's just pulse it after this one, and pulse, pulse, pulse for 10. Keep that foot flexed, stretching the knee. And hold, release that leg, and just come up onto your knees. And we're just right away going to go to the other side. So no break here. It's a quick workout. So coming with your right leg in front now, we're just gonna lift up and then bring it out in front and lift up. So inhale here. Exhale as you lift the leg. Keep that knee stretched, pointing the toe. Abs are engaged. And up to the front and up. Relaxing your shoulders here as well. Try not to tense up in your body somewhere else. Good. And let's hold it here and pulse, 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 trying to lift up as high as you can here, keeping that hip nice and turned out, pointing the toe. And hold. And release it. Now bring your left leg over and cross it over your body, stretching your left leg. We're gonna lift it and bend it, and then stretch it out. flexing the foot and taking it a little bit faster. So stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep that foot flexed. And let's come for pulses. Pulse it up, pulse, pulse, pulse. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Beautiful, hold and release. We're gonna come onto our backs now, and we're just gonna take a few more inner thigh exercises. So let's just lift our legs up, keeping our abs nice and engaged. We're gonna flex our feet, and we're just gonna open up our legs and then cross them as we bring them back. Open and then cross the other way. And cross. And cross. And we're trying to use the inner thighs to bring those legs back as you cross them. Keep the knees nice and stretched. Good. Now same thing, but with pointed toes. So keep your toes pointed. Open, cross. Open and cross. Good. Keep breathing. Keep those abs engaged. Belly button to the spine. Amazing. Now we're going to flex our feet as we open and point them as we cross. So kind of mixing the two together. So flex, point. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Belly button to the spine. You can do this. We're almost there. Good. We're almost there. We're doing 20 of these, finishing off with a bang. Good. And last one. And release. Good. Bend your knees. Just bring one foot onto the mat. Let's just stretch our one leg in a nice hamstring stretch. You can pulse it if you'd like. And now we're just going to bend that leg after a few moments. And we're just going to open it up to the side. So just stretching out our inner thigh. And now bring it back to center. And let's do that on the other side. So stretch your knee and leg first. And let's pull it closer to our chest in pulses. Or you can just hold here if that feels better for you. Hold. And now just bend your knee and open it out to the side. And bring it back to center. And this time we're going to open up both of our knees. Feet together, heels together. Stretching out the thighs and the hips. And now just bring your knees together. Bring your knees to your chest and roll yourself up because we are finished today. Thank you so much for joining me on day 3. I'll see you all tomorrow for day 4.